big breath in right here, all the way out. Yeah. Nice. Those are her. This is if we're looking just like just above. Zoom in on this one. I'm always big on not pushing into the curvature section, because as you can see, it's going up, and then yeah. Like I said, nice. And then here, than anything else, let that go all the way. All the way out. Sorry if I stink. He's so good. I'll be walking in months. That's the goal. Under a year.
Yeah.